Hi, this is going to be a giveaway video and I'm giving away my July glossy box. This box is so pretty, so pretty, I love it. But I've got two. Now I subscribe to Glossybox. I have been for over a year, maybe coming up to a year and a half maybe, and I love Glossybox. Now a couple of months ago I was contacted by Glossybox and asked if I'd be interested in receiving their PR boxes in exchange for doing reviews on my YouTube channel. So as I already subscribed anyway, I accepted obviously. I thought it was a brilliant opportunity for me and it meant that I get my boxes a little bit early, so all good. But I continued with my subscription because I thought the value of these boxes, they cost £13.25 and they're lovely boxes. Some months are hit and miss, you know, but that is what you expect from subscription boxes. It can't be pleased every single month, but it would be nice if you are. But I am generally pleased, but I just thought it'd be nice to keep the subscription going so that if I've got a birthday or something coming up, then I can give a box as a gift, or I can do monthly giveaways, so I get to keep the PR box and I get to give away the box that I pay for. There was problems with the boxes going out to us, so unfortunately we didn't receive our PR box until today, which is a couple of weeks late. But in the meantime I have unboxed my paid for box on my channel a couple of days ago, so if you'd like to see my thoughts and the contents and everything, I will link it down below, or I'll put it up in the card up above so you can take a look if you want to see in more detail. But I thought, well, this has arrived, so I'm going to do a giveaway. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful box, absolutely stunning. So inside you get a card, tells you everything you've got. I'm not going to open it up because I want the winner to have the luxury or the excitement of opening it up, because it's all stickered and it's all sealed really nicely. But I'll just show you the contents. So you've got a Dermalogica, it's a cleansing gel. Then you've got an Essence mascara, then you've got a Inuit shell brush, which is there. Then you've got a Regenerate Enamel Science toothpaste, and then as an extra gift you've got a Hawaiian Tropic Skin SPF lotion. And then on the back, then you've got full-size Senor de Parfum, and it's a sea salt hairspray. So that's the items. So there's 6 items in all, 4 full-size, 1 deluxe travel and 1 extra freebie, which is there. So to be in for a chance of winning this box, it's open internationally, so anyone of you can enter if you wished, but to be in for a chance you have to be subscribed to my channel, and on the day I draw the giveaway I have to check to see whether your subscriptions are set to public, so I can check to see that you are actually subscribed to my channel. If you're under 18 or under 16 I think it is, you have to have parental consent, and also you need to comment down below because I'll be using a random message picker type thing, and that just goes through all my messages and it just picks a winner for me, and then I'll announce that either on here or on Instagram or on my Facebook page. So all those are linked down below, so click on the show more and that'll bring up my description, and all the details of the competition would be there, and all my social media links as well, so if you want to join any of those you're welcome to. So you have to leave me a message with a way of contacting you if you win, so that can be your Instagram name or email even, whatever you're happy with. If you can leave that down below, and comment anything, I don't know, to comment about what you like about this box, what you'd like to win, what is the item in the box that you're most looking forward to winning. It's up to you. I'll leave the comments up to you. So I'm going to leave it up now for 2 weeks-ish. We'll call it the end of July, July the 31st, and it'll usually be about 5 o'clock. I will put up a post when I'm drawing it so that anyone that enters afterwards, unfortunately, you know, you might not be able to be entered. But yeah, so if you're interested in this box then please enter. So thanks for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.